Hello, my name's Colin, I'm from HDCCTV. This is the second video in our series about our new 960H 4-camera CCTV system. In this video we're going to have a look at the supplied cameras and the DVR, and then we're going to take a look at the on-screen menus and how to search and playback for recordings made. Then I'm going to show you how the system looks when viewing it remotely using an iPhone or an iPad. And then finally we'll have a look at the email snapshots the system sends out to alert you. This is the DVR you get with the system. It's a compact DVR. It's got a USB socket on the front here. All these are controls, touchscreen controls that light up when it's powered up. On the back end we have 4 video inputs here. Main monitor outputs are VGA and HDMI. There is also a monitor output here, but this only gives you a quad screen output, no on-screen menu on that one. We've then got audio out and audio in here, as well as network, another USB socket, the RS485 socket for pan-tilt zoom cameras, and 12 volt DC. Let's take a look at the on-screen menus of this DVR. Along the bottom of the main screen are a few quick function icons that allow you access to some of the more regularly used functions of this recorder. Things like record, search, pan, tilt, zoom control, picture-in-picture, mute, that kind of thing. To access your recordings quickly, use that bottom bar, select record search and then hit the search button, and you'll then have a representation of time and date of any recordings. Pick the time you want, hit play, and you'll have your recording playback. You'll notice during playback you have a timeline bar along the bottom of the screen. This can represent either 24 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour or 30 minutes of time, and you can easily click back and forward through that time zone to find any incident or any motion you're looking for. Now we'll just do a quick whiz through of the graphic interface. This is the live section showing where you can mask off different images and different cameras. Then you've got your record settings here, schedule, and the quality of recording. You've got various modes of quality. It's currently set in 960H, but you can set it to D1 if you wish. This is the search function you saw earlier. We have an event search and also a log search. This helps find particular instances much quicker. Now, network settings gets you online, and you've got various settings there for different networks. Substream, that's your mobile streaming, what sort of quality that's streaming at. Email, so you can set up when it sends you an email, snapshot of any motion, and DDNS if you're using a service such as No IP or DYN DNS. Then you've got basic settings here about the hard drive. You've got 2 hard drive spaces in the machine, pan tilt zoom control, date and time, different access levels for different users, and then just general information about the device. Then we go into advanced setup. You've got motion setup here for the cameras, and you can set up the motion grid to look for everything or to ignore certain sections. Here you can say it'll just ignore that section in the centre there. You've then got maintenance for firmware updates, saving to default, that sort of thing. And then finally the events tab would be to just let you know of any problems, what it does when there's an issue. And now let's have a look at the IQR CMS app. This is available for iPad, iPhone, Android or Windows phones. You can simply drag and drop any device into the viewing screen, or you can in fact have up to 32 cameras on view at one time using the multi-screen view. You can make it full screen, single camera, so it's very flexible for viewing options. Now to playback, you go to the date that you're looking for. You then choose the cameras you want to look at, hit the search button, and you then get again the green time bar that comes up, and you can scan through time and have a look at your playback from there. This is the same app using an iPhone, so it's very similar. You've got your live view, 4 cameras at a time, and you can scroll across to show more than 4. Or you can choose the multiple view and have up to 16 on show at one time. This is the playback module. So again, you can drag through time using the little green bar at the bottom of the screen there. You can take a snapshot or a video recording using the app. You simply select the camera you want and it takes a still shot, pops it in your photo folder. Or if you want a recording, you hit the record button for the camera you want to record, and that will then save a video file to your iPhone for local playback. With the iPhone app, you can have up to 16 cameras on screen at any one time in various different configurations I'm showing you here. Slightly different with the iPad app, you've got up to 36 cameras available at any one time on screen. With the iPhone, you've got up to 16 and you've got 2 pages of 16, so you can have 32 loaded and just flick between the two. The CCTV system will send email snapshots of any motion detected. Here you can see 3 photos we had emailed to us today by the CCTV system while we were making these recordings.